Today we are going to solve a question from limits, but actually it needs application of derivatives. So we can say it's a question from AOD also. So limit extends to 0, step of sin x into tan x by x square. That's the question. So I assume that you know questions like this. What is this? This is obviously 1. We all know that. But what about this? This is limit extends to 0, 0. So 0. Okay, because sin x is, this is y equal to x, and this is y equal to sin x. So in the right side of 0, sin x is less than x. So sin x by x is less than 1. So its step will be 0. So this one we know. Okay. But here the problem is sin x is there and also tan x is there and denominator is x square. So what we need to do is, one more thing is tan x by x. Tan x by x is greater than 1. So its step will be 1. Okay, in the neighborhood of 0. So one is less than 1 and the other is greater than 1. So what about their product? That we are confused. We cannot tell anything that it will be greater than 1 or less than 1. In the neighborhood of 0, this is greater than 1. Sorry, less than 1. And the other one is greater than 1. So what about their product? We are confused. Okay. So what we are going to do is, we need to check whether this ratio, this quotient is greater than 1 or not. So what we can do is sin x into tan x. If it is less than x square, then what will happen? This ratio will be less than 1 and step will be, this is step, okay, greatest integer. So it will be 0. So what we are going to do is, we are going to consider a function. I need to know whether this is less than x square or greater than x square. That's the question. So let me consider a function which is f of x equal to sin x tan x minus x square. So now I want to know whether f of x is greater than 0 or f of x is less than 0. So based on that, we will get the quotient inequality related to quotient. So let me differentiate this. What is this? Cos x into tan x plus sin x into 6 square x minus 2x. So we have this. Now we have the problem that whether f dash x is positive or negative. We don't know. We don't know whether f dash x is positive or negative. If f dash x is positive, then it is a strictly increasing function. We can proceed with that. But that we don't know. So what we are going to do is find its derivative also. Okay. So cos x derivative. Before that, what is cos x into tan x? Cos x into tan x is cos x into sin x by cos x. So sin x plus sin x into 6 square x minus 2x. Now let me differentiate this. So you will get cos x here cos x into 6 square x plus sin x into 2 sec x into sec x tan x minus 2. Now I have f double dash x. Let me take this as cos x. Actually it is cos x. Now this one let me take it as sec x, because one cos and sec will cancel. So I got sec x. Now this is like, if this is a, this is 1 by a. So I am taking this minus 2 here, so I can use completing this square. Okay. And plus I have sin x into 2 6 square x tan x. Okay. Now what is f double dash x? Root cos x minus root sec x all square. I hope you understood this, how it came. A minus b all square is a square plus 2ab plus 2ab, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Plus I have this sin x into 2 6 square x into, or I can write it as sin x is sin square x, then 2 6 square x, then what I have sin x by cos x, which is there, so it will be 2c cube x. Now you tell me, in the neighborhood of 0, that is when x tends to 0 plus or x tends to 0 minus, in both cases what will be its value? Its value is positive. What about this? Sin square x is positive, c cube x, both sides sec is positive, so c cube x is also positive, correct? So what I can say, this function is strictly increasing. Okay, so derivative is positive, so function is strictly increasing. Let me take the right side because the entire function is an even function, so whatever happens in the right side, similar thing will happen. Okay, so I got f double dash x as positive. So f double dash x is positive. First consider x is great tends to 0 plus. So f double dash x is positive. So f dash x is strictly increasing. Strictly increasing. Okay, not just 0. If I want, I can go with x0 less than x less than pi by 2 also. So what I can say, f dash x or f dash 0, which is larger? This f dash is increasing, so f and x is greater than 0, so this will be larger than f dash 0. Now what is f dash 0? F dash 0, if you substitute, you will get sin zeros, it is 0. So f dash x is greater than 0. F dash x greater than 0 means f is strictly increasing. F is strictly increasing. If f is strictly increasing, then f of x or f of 0, which is larger? F of x is larger. Now what is f of x? Sin x tan x minus x square. What is f of 0? 0. So what we got? Sin x tan x is greater than x square. Okay. So what I will get? Sin x tan x divided by x square is greater than 1. So what is its step? Sin x tan x divided by x square. When x approaches 0 plus, this will be approaching 1. Okay. So what is our answer? Limit x tends to 0. This step will become 1. So answer is 1. Now if you take LHL also this will be same. Okay. LHL also if you want you can do. In that case also this will be exactly same. Okay, why? Because sin x tan x by x square is even function, that's why. Okay. So right side if it is greater than 1, left side also it is greater than 1. That's why. Okay. Okay then. So that's the answer. Thank you.